Hello gadget lovers, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews, where we explore the best and most innovative devices designed to make your life easier. Today, we are diving into a game changer for the modern kitchen, the Chef Robot Ultra Cook all-in-one smart food processor. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, this device is here to simplify your life and elevate your cooking game. Let's take a closer look at why this kitchen companion is the ultimate tool you didn't know you needed. First, let's unpack what you get when you purchase the Chef Robot Ultra Cook. Inside the box, you will find the main appliance itself, which features a sleek and a modern design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Along with it, there's a steamer with its cover and base, allowing you to prepare healthy and delicious steamed dishes. There's also a transparent measuring cup for precise ingredient preparation, a butterfly attachment for whisking or mixing, a spatula for convenience, a user manual, and of course, the warranty card. With everything neatly packed, this unboxing experience feels premium and you are equipped to get started right away. Now, let's talk about why the Chef Robot Ultra Cook is more than just a food processor. These machines offer over 15 functions, making it one of the most versatile kitchen appliances on the market. It can slow cook hearty stews for hours, ensuring all the flavors melt together perfectly. You can steam vegetables, seafood, or even dumplings for healthy, quick meals. If you need to mix ingredients for baking, pure soups, blend smoothies, or whisk batters, this appliance has got you covered. For more adventurous cooks, it offers sauce-wide functionality, enabling you to vacuum seal proteins and cook them to perfection. On the top of all that, it can fry, knead dough, and chop ingredients with incredible precision. Essentially, this one device can replace multiple kitchen gadgets, saving you both counter space and money. But it's not just the functionality that sets this device apart. The Chef Robot Ultra Cook integrates technology to make cooking smarter and easier. Its Smart Recipes feature, accessible through the Chef Robot app, is a game changer. With access to over 600 online recipes, you will never run out of inspiration. Whether you are preparing a family favorite or experimenting with international cuisines, the app provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. This feature makes it perfect for the beginners who might need a little extra help and experienced chefs looking for fresh ideas. One of the things that truly stands out is the large 3.5-liter capacity of the smart food processor. It's ideal for family-sized meals or entertaining guests. No more worrying about running out of space in the middle of preparing a dish. What really takes the convenience to the next level is the app control functionality. With the Chef Robot Ultra Cook, you can monitor and adjust cooking settings right from your smartphone or tablet. Imagine setting up a dish to cook and then being able to check on its progress or tweak the settings without even stepping into the kitchen. It's the kind of convenience that makes you feel like you have your own personal sauce chef. Additionally, the 7-inch TFT screen on the device itself provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface. From selecting recipes to setting up cooking processes, this screen ensures everything is straightforward and accessible. After a cooking session, cleanup is often the part we dread the most. But with the Chef Robot Ultra Cook, even this has been simplified. It features a self-cleaning function that makes cleanup effortless. Simply activate the function and the machine takes care of the mess for you. This saves you valuable time and effort, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Safety is another area where this device excels. The Chef Robot Ultra Cook is equipped with a safety lock design, ensuring peace of mind during operation. Whether you are blending at high speeds or slow cooking, the lock keeps everything secure, preventing accidents or spills. The machine also offers a wide temperature range from 98 degrees Fahrenheit to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a variety of cooking techniques, from delicate sauces to high-heat frying. This temperature versatility opens up endless possibilities for your culinary adventures. Let's talk about real-life scenarios where this machine can shine. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party. With the Chef Robot Ultra Cook, you can slow cook a favorable beef stew while steaming vegetables on the side. The sauce-wide function delivers perfectly cooked proteins that rival what you would get in a fine dining restaurant. If you are wondering about cost effectiveness, Chef Robot has made this premium device even more exciting with 2 amazing offers. On Amazon, you can use the code OYWDD67Z to get a 10% discount, valid until January 3rd. Alternatively, you can visit thechefrobot.com and use the code UltraCook10 for a 10% site-wide discount, available until December 31st. These offers make it the perfect time to invest in a kitchen upgrade. So, what do you think? Could the Chef Robot Ultra Cook transform your cooking experience? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rafi Gadget Reviews for more insights into the best gadgets on the market. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye bye.